Hi friends, today we're going to be making a sign. I actually made this design on my Cricut Maker. I've had it all ready to go for a couple of days already, but since I haven't had any time to make it, I am really excited to start working on the project today. I started off by adding some Mod Podge on here before I start to paint, so I won't have a lot of bleed through, but at the end when I took off the stencil, I still had some bleed through, so I don't know, maybe next time I'll try another technique. I'm gonna be using this Waverly pink paint and also this craft paint in red. I really like both of the colors, how they come out at the end. Let me know what you guys think, but maybe next time I'll choose a different paint. I don't know if it's because of the craft paint that I had so much bleed through, or maybe because this is my first project and I really don't know what I'm doing.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine? I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. Will you put your hands in mine? I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
You can see right here that when I took off the stencil, some of my letters went with it, so I didn't really like that. I had to go back in and fix that, but at the end I think it still came out great.
The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room, I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine? I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. Will you put your hands in mine? I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine? I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. Will you put your hands in mine? I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
When I originally stained my wood, I didn't stain this part right here because I knew this was going to be on the actual white paint. So I skipped this step, but then when I nailed it, I nailed the actual stained part on the white paint, so I had to end up restaining it.
Back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving is like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. The neon lights in the fast lane life, riding high, reaching for the sky. I had it all but lost and fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end. Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I've lost my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day.
purchased at Target. It's so small and so cute. And look at how beautiful my sign looks, you guys. It was my first time using my Cricut, and I think it came out really nice. I know that it's not like perfect, like I had some bleed through, but I think it looks so pretty. I really like it. You can barely tell unless you get really close up, but I think it looks so beautiful. Look at how nice it came out. I love it. And then here's the other one. So cute. This one is my favorite. I think it looks beautiful. I love this one. That's all for today's video, besties. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, besties.